Have you ever struggled with the volume being too quiet for your recorded sermon? Or maybe one week it's loud, the next it's kind of soft, and you're just looking for a way to keep it consistent week after week. Well, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you a really simple way to make it sound like your sermon audio was mastered to perfection every week.
Before we get started, we just want to let you know that this video is sponsored by Church Sound Made Simple. Mixing sound seems complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Cut the overwhelm by getting access to this stress-free, no-fluff training that will help you create great sound at church. Visit churchsoundmadesimple.com.
Well, hey, if we haven't met, I'm Cade, creator of Collaborate Worship, and I'm here to help you create great sound at church. So let me show you how to get your sermon recording sounding awesome. This one online tool has saved me so much time, and it's probably one of my favorite tools of all time. And know this, I don't get a kickback of any kind for recommending this. I simply want you to know about it. So you ready? This is seriously going to change your life. Auphonic.com, the automatic audio post-production web service. I was skeptical when I first heard of it, but I was also short on time, so I figured it's worth a shot. I'm glad I tried it out. The audio you're listening to right now, is processed through Auphonic. We use Auphonic for all of our spoken audio recordings, whether it's a sermon, a testimony video, or anything in between. Auphonic does 4 things for you automatically. Number 1, Auphonic corrects level differences within one file between music and speech. This means you could run your whole service through Auphonic so that the music and the sermon are the same loudness level. Number 2, Auphonic normalizes overall loudness. Have you ever listened to different podcasts back to back where one was too quiet and the other one was too loud? Yeah, they needed to be using Auphonic. You simply set the loudness target and all your audio files that you run through Auphonic will be equally as loud. Number 3, Auphonic removes unwanted low frequencies. Sometimes you forget to put a low cut filter on your microphone, or maybe you didn't set it right. This is where Auphonic saves your tail. It automatically detects unwanted low frequencies and it removes them. Number 4, Auphonic removes hums and unwanted noise. Did you have an air conditioner running in the background or a buzz caused by some kind of interference? Well, Auphonic will take it out for you automatically. In case you can't tell, I love Auphonic. It works really well and it saves me so much time. So to wrap this up, let me show you how to process an audio file with Auphonic. So once you're logged in, click New Production. Upload your audio file. Under output files, I recommend using the MP3 format with a bitrate of 256 kilobits per second. This is usually the right balance between file size and quality. Under audio algorithms, set all 4 of those options: adaptive leveler, loudness normalization, filtering, noise, and hum reduction. For loudness target, use -16 LUFS and set the reduction amount to auto. And finally, click Start Production. It takes just a few minutes to process your file, and then you'll be able to download the new audio file and upload it to wherever it's going next. To make this easier to implement, I put together an Auphonic settings cheat sheet. Download it for free using the link in the description. Then use the cheat sheet to create a preset in Auphonic, and you've earned yourself an extended coffee break. As always, if you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'd be glad to answer. If you'd like to see more videos like this, give me a thumbs up to let me know. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the little bell so we can let you know when a new video comes out. I'll see you next time.